my beautiful friends. It's Amanda here. Today we're going to talk about the latest release from Huda Beauty. This PR package just arrived to me, and I literally just finished filming the ColourPop Hydra Pop lip stain video. So I know that I don't have the ability to lip swatch a bunch more staining items because I just swatched a bunch of lip stains, and it can be a little bit rough on my lips to apply and remove, especially stains, which are harder to remove on purpose. But I'm still really excited about this Huda release and I wanted to share it with you. So I think we're going to do a slightly different format. I'm going to unbox this PR package sort of live with you. We're going to go through, open up everything. I'm seeing it for the first time. Of course, I've seen these on social media. I'm sure you've already seen them on social media as well. But it's still fun and exciting to open up a PR package. I always look forward to them, so I thought it would be fun to share that excitement with you today. I'm gonna open and live swatch everything. I'm trying to find the right midpoint between being excited, wanting to share these things, and also wanting to give you a fun, useful, entertaining, informative video. So hopefully I strike a decent balance with that. So let's get to the fun part and dig into this PR package. When I first opened up the box, on the very top is the little booklet that I showed you in the opening scene. And I love when brands include a lot of information with the PR package because I want to be able to share real good, solid information with you as far as pricing, release date, and retailers. And I also really like these close-ups on different lips. Obviously, these are professional photos. Obviously, they've been, at least somewhat retouched, is my assumption. But I really like that I can see texture and things on these photos. I feel social media photos are just lacking skin texture, and I really like to see that. So, as you can see, these products are already available. You can find them at a whole bunch of retailers. I'm going to list them down in the description box anywhere where I can find these. The lip contour stains, the liner stains, come in 8 different shades. We're going to swatch all 8 today, and these are $25 each. And then there are 3 of the jelly lip oils, and those are 21 each. Now, the jelly lip oils, they look like different colors in the tube. You'll see in my swatch that they all just look clear on me, but they have different scents. So I would really go more by the fruit that they're named after because that's how they're scented, more so than the color, because the color just shows clear, at least on my lips. I really love the idea of this brush roll, but I actually wish there were more loops so that I could actually use it as a brush roll. It's really designed to hold these products, but I'm obviously going to repurpose it as a brush roll. Maybe I can even add my own loops. That could be our next product, like crafty project. Remember, I just painted one of my magnetic palettes. Maybe I can update this brush roll. Maybe this can be my new little mini series on my channel. Speaking of interesting and crafty solutions, here's a little product that I had never heard of before. This is called Lippy Links. It's meant to combine your lip combos so that you don't lose them in your bag. I think this is clever. It's never something that I've felt like I was lacking personally, but I'm not a big lip liner fan, so I can really see that being useful for somebody who does do a lot of lip liner type combos. Something I definitely see being useful for me is this little heart-shaped compact mirror. This immediately went into my bag. I also think it will look really cute in an Instagram photo, but this is the one thing that I can absolutely see myself using that I am already using. And then in the bottom of the box, I was not expecting this, is a really gorgeous pink Huda scarf. This is super pretty and luxurious too. Huda does a really nice job of curating accessories. And I mean, what an excellent idea for them brand wise to have people wearing their logo around like this in such a
just pretty luxe way. This is very girly. It's giving Barbie summer vibes. Also, I have a teenage niece who might actually love this. I know that also putting scarves on your bag has become really trendy again right now, so that could be a great use for this little scarf as well. But I want to focus on the lip products. So let's dig back into this little, I keep calling it a brush roll. It just reads as brush roll to me, but certainly I could put brushes in here. I just think we need some more loops. But I might be able to make it happen. We'll see. Hopefully I don't destroy it in the process, but you never know when you're crafting. Let's first take a look at these faux filler jelly oils. These do not have a stingy, plumping type of sensation. I know they have that faux filler name, but these have no plumping tingle. These are just straight super moisturizing lip oils. I like the name jelly oil because they do have a gel texture. They're very smooth. They're not sticky like a jelly product, but they're not runny like an oil product. They are very much in the middle. I enjoy the texture. I think they feel great on the lips. They smell really, really good. Juicy Pink Lady. I think it's the least obvious because Pink Lady is a type of apple. So this one is a really fresh, crisp apple scent. It's not a warm, toasty, spicy apple like apple pie. It's definitely a fresh, crisp apple. And then Juicy Peach and Juicy Goji are a little bit more self explanatory. Peach is obviously peach scented. Goji is a goji berry scent. These are so fruity and delicious. They're not overly sweet, in my opinion, but they are quite scented. When you open it up, you can definitely smell it. So if you're somebody who is sensitive to fragrance in your makeup, you may not love these as much as I do, but I think they are delicious, refreshing, hydrating, juicy. I'm really a big fan of these. I definitely see myself using up all three of these jelly oils pretty easily. I am somebody who has dry skin and dry lips, so a hydrating, juicy lip product is absolutely my favorite. These do have the same applicator as the faux filler glosses if you've tried those. Now let's take a look at these lip contour stains. These have such an interesting felt tip applicator. They have almost a flat, like chisel type of shape, which I do think makes this felt tip pretty easy to apply. It definitely glides like a marker almost. And I want to note that Huda recommends storing these upside down, like with the felt tip down, so that that applicator stays saturated with product. I'm showing you two different types of swatches here because I think it's really interesting to see these colors applied to actual paper because they are so much like a marker. I was just compelled to show them in this way as well. And it was just pretty fun for me to do. So I hope that it's fun for you to watch. According to the Huda Beauty site, these are infused with moisturizing argan oil. And I did wear a few of these. And let me tell you, they are not easy to remove. The stain is staining. It lasts a really long time. It took me basically the entire day of wearing this. It only faded. It definitely didn't wear off. And then I had to really try to remove this with like an oil makeup remover. And even then, I felt like I could still sort of tell a difference in my lips the next day. To be fair, I have been testing a lot of staining products over the past couple of weeks. So I think my lips are just in a sort of stained state, but these definitely lasted a long time, longer than I wanted them to after swatching, that's for sure, because I layer on a couple of colors here in a minute, and my lips were stained definitely for 24 hours afterwards. But I think under normal circumstances where you're not lip swatching and testing a whole bunch of stains in a concentrated period of time, these would definitely last all day, but I don't know if you're going to be wearing it for 24 hours like I was.
My lips are already really quite stained, so sorry about that. I want to try rosewood. That definitely seems like my type.
At first, I felt like this wasn't quite showing up as much as I wanted it to in person. You can see it a little bit better on camera, but I think I was also a little lip stain blind at this point, and this is a really natural looking color on me.
Okay, that's a nice cool toned mauvey type of color. Let's do one of the glosses on top. Let's use Juicy Pink Lady. Ooh, this smells good. Glossy. Hey, that's cute. I think it looks cute.
I really enjoy this combo. I definitely can see myself wearing this, especially this color just really suits me. So, Rosewood is my favorite of the shades.
My lips are definitely still stained. Well, I'll do one more. I know I won't be able to do that many because, like I said, I already had kind of stained lips, and now this liner definitely lasts a while. Let's do warm brown. Since I did a cool toned one, I want to do a warm one. I'm not really into the liner look. I know that that's really popular right now, and I think that it looks good on other people. There are a lot of looks like this that I see and I'm like, ooh, that looks gorgeous, but I just don't personally think it's like suits my own style. But there's no law against putting this on your whole lip. So I'm gonna fill it in some more. I decided to go for a little bit more of like an ombre application than a lined look. Let's add Juicy Peach lip oil on top. This is the jelly oil in Juicy Peach. Oh, it smells like peaches. It smells so good. That looks good. I did get a little bit of transfer onto the applicator. Nothing catastrophic, but it just felt like it was worth pointing out.
I ended up liking this combo way more than I thought I was going to. I haven't been big on the liner look or ombre lip look, but I think that this looked really cool and I do like switching it up.
I hope that that was fun and enjoyable for you to watch. It was definitely fun to film this in a little bit of a different style. You know, I have such a formula for the way that I do my reviews. I've developed that system really to make sure that I don't miss any important talking points, but sometimes it's fun to mix it up a little bit. So I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. I would love to hear what you think about this new release. Are you interested? Have you picked any of these up? What lip combos do you want to see me try in the future? I'm definitely going to be putting some more of these liner gloss combos to the test. So I always love to hear what you think about things too. Make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hmm. Huda, you look beautiful. You're looking beautiful, girl. And Huda got back control of her company. Good for her. Boss babe. We love to see it. Love a girl boss. Cute. I like this a lot more than I thought I would. I'm not a big lip liner girly. Okay, I cannot do any more lip application today. We have reached our maximum capacity for lip swatches today, so I'm gonna go start editing so that I can post a video because that's what I do here. You already knew that. Clearly, I need to go. I think it's snack time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. That was cool. That's cool. I like it when you come hang out with me. You're the best, and I love your face. I will see you in another video really soon, okay? I'll be here. You should be here. Okay, see you then. Bye.